what looks like a setback, God is saving your life. So most of the time we see a setback on Mapilong Arena. Can't you believe what to protect? I want to say to you this morning that you need enemies so that for you to dine in that table, you need enemies. Joseph needed his brother uplifter so that they can take him. God destiny I healing kodeng. But kana ko yona sa ibone because in kana ibona nabona setback ka bophelo ba hae. Nabona ka re modimo ha morati. I can imagine maybe na nabutsa modimo mara modimo why bana ba ko hae ba mrekisitse. Why lo se di so di etsa halana? Because little did he know that the episode of Modimo Tepiseng Zona. Sometimes this episode you need to pass through that wilderness. You need to pass through the pain so that God can show off your story. The brothers that did not know that Modimo through them. So the brothers they didn't know that God is selling him. They didn't know that them selling Joseph. Joseph. Kani Modimo a re ke tla bo phagamisa ka lena. So Modimo o phagamisa ka mama ba hao. Ba re bona ba re ba feditse ka wena. Are whatever that you are doing ke tla go isa kwa tshwanetseng go be ko teng. So sometimes you face pain because God wants people to see his glory upon your pain. You go through everything because Modimo na nawe. Are ke tla tlisa batho ba o surround ba o plotele, but I am with you. Yes.